Okay, so good. We have 10 people. We're going to sit in groups of 5 today. Can we do 5? No? Ew. Okay. Okay. There's one open one. That's disgusting. Okay. Are we ready? As I throw things around. Okay. Well, good morning, everyone. Today, what we're going to do is we are going to review and practice significance testing, hypothesis testing, confidence intervals, and all that fun stuff that we've been working on. Well, we're going to need to know this. Good question. We're going to need to know this. We're always going to need to know this, right? Because whenever you see things of confidence intervals, you have to relate it back to what does that mean? What is a true proportion? And we've been practicing means a lot, so I want to do one with a proportion instead. Okay? Also, you know, AP test is coming up in 6 weeks. So we need to get started. Okay, so today is called Give Me a Kiss. You're each going to be dropping 5 kisses at a time. What you're going to do is you're going to get a cup, shake around 5 kisses, and you're going to drop it from some specified distance. If you want to specify that distance for your entire group, you can. Else that might be a bias, that might be a some kind of flaw in your experimentation. But we're going to see how many kisses land upright. How many kisses land straight upright? I think they say the null hypothesis for this is about 0.3. Okay? 0.3 times. You can write that down. Null hypothesis is 0.3. So we'll see if that 0.3, that null hypothesis, falls within our confidence interval that we're finding. Today we have cookies and cream Hershey's, and we have the regular Easter colored Hershey's Kisses. Okay, so maybe there might be a difference. So in your groups, you're going to have one group work with the cookies and cream, one group work with the regular chocolate, and we might be able to talk about how that changes things, whether the uniformity of chocolate changes how things fall. Okay? But you're just going to basically go through this. Do you want me to give you the kisses now? Are you going to be tempted to eat it while you work through the initial part? You don't want. You'll be fine? It's not Skittles, yeah, Axel?
Yeah, it's not Skittles.
Okay. Yeah, so get started with this. First of all, read through it. Yeah, I'm going to give you 5 each in your cup, so whatever it is. What?
Can we work with the cookies and cream?
Okay. Is that 5? Okay, so move around the room as you need to. You can do groups of 5, you can do groups of 4, it doesn't matter. It's really fluid. Groups of 3? Okay. That's fine. You could do a combination.
3 and 3. No, that would make 2 things too difficult. Trey, come with us.
It doesn't really matter. You can do 3 and 3. It's fine. Just do 3 groups. Fine. Huh? Yeah, because you're all going to do it and then you're going to be able to have more data. So you're the replicates, right? What kind are you guys doing? I mean, we honestly have enough. If you want both cookies and cream and the regular, we can do that. Okay, I think there's 5 in each. There you go. Go ahead, yeah, drop it.
I got 3. I got 1.
You're just not good at this, Hannah.
Wait. We have to do it 50 times?
You're using 50 kisses, so you're doing it 10 times.
Oh,
And you see how that's 50 kisses? Good. Did you do it 10 times?
Or doing it with like the different ones.
You can do it with different ones, yeah. That's why I'm giving you, because I have enough.
But that's separate from.
Yeah, that'd be separate.
So these are consumable after.
These are all consumable after, yes.
Oh no.
It's okay. Alright, I feel like the sniping hit something.
You can determine whether you think that that is a bias. If that is, then maybe you shouldn't use that thing.
Redo.
Yeah, you're gonna do the regulars as well. So you can do it twice.
Where?
Just go on the side. I didn't anticipate it, and then I thought about it later, and I was like, oh, that might be good. So we can all see the differences. Okay, there we go.
I got 3 then 2. What's wrong with
I think it's exactly the same so
One, the same amount every
far.
time.
One, yeah. Oh, never mind.
I'm trying to put my cap on, but it's not sticking.
I like the consistency in my data. I like the consistency in my data.
Okay, Bryson, try it again
Try it again.
using these.
Oh, I
Okay?
I did 2. What's the highest?
Oh, you did 5 and 5?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna do 5 more of each.
Oh,
You're doing it right. You're doing it right. Here, you got it.
It makes a difference.
It does make a difference?
I got 18 on this one.
You but now you can continue on, right? Where's this data? Where's this data?
I didn't record this one yet.
Okay.
This data is getting way too consistent.
It knows.
It knows what it wants to be.
Are you flipping it the same way?
Yeah. I have to
Must
do-
be because it's so consistent.
You get that little up and down shake, and then you just go straight over.
Is it a bias that it's hitting your hand? Do you take that into consideration?
Yeah. That's gonna be noted in the.
Oh, look. Yeah.
The sample, like, the amount of kisses? Or, like, is the sample just...
Okay, the population of interest is number of kisses landing on the
Sorry,
base.
right?
Mm-hmm.
And so the
So
sample...
what's the sample?
Cookies and cream? Or... 10?
Yeah, so we can say like these 5, or these specified that are given to me. I don't know.
So,
What you want
given
to say?
kisses.
Given kisses, yeah. And then you can say that for one study it would be just the plain chocolate. One other study would be cookies and cream. You got all 5? Oh wow. Oh wow. Yeah.
The total is when they say the total, it's not. It's just the total that land upright, right? Oh, okay.
Yeah, as a total would be 50,
Oh, okay.
which we don't need.
Are we counting the 2 separate ones?
Yeah, you're gonna keep them separate.
Oh, keep them.
Yeah, keep them separate.
I got 411.
4.
Great information.
So I got 3, 3, 4.
Okay.
Cookies and
Cookies and cream is the one that is.
Dude, I got like 41100.
So you just slowly ruined your strategy.
6 inches? You went like that just now. That is not 6 inches.
Do you feel like you're pouring it the same way every single time?
You weren't there. You were like there.
No, Trey, not you. Shucks.
Do you see this?
You go like super slow. Maybe that's why.
Yeah, it's not specified how you're supposed to.
Do you go super slow? I haven't.
You like pour them out one at like
Do I
one
put this in
fourth at
a
time.
table?
No, because you're using 12.
Oh, that's P.
No, P is your proportion, right?
Oh,
This
so
one
it's
landed like this and just rose up.
12 out of 10.
No. Every round we can go is 5, and we did 10 rounds. So how many kisses was that?
24. That was so much more than the last time.
50.
What's your language?
50.
50, yeah.
So 12 out of 50.
It doesn't excuse it. Okay, continue on. Let's go. 10, 12. Okay, I see.
12 out of 50.
12 out of 50, yeah. Okay, population of interest and sample. What you gonna do? What do you guys say is the population of interest?
Stand up, right?
How many what? Let's be specific, Amber.
Stand on its base.
Wouldn't our population of interest be like
Or-
comparative though, because we did 2 different.
It would be. But there's 2 different studies going on. We're not
Oh, they're independent.
yeah,
Oh,
they're gonna be
okay.
independent. So I'm sorry, I only gave you 1 space for 1, but I'm thinking this might be an interesting comparison just because I found 2 types of kisses at the store.
Wait, isn't N times P? So the number is 12. Or no, the number is... Okay, so you have to use proportions. So then...
Individual.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So is that the sample or the sample size?
Sample size.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm confused now.
Okay.
For the... Okay.
So,
Talking about which one? Okay, which one?
so is it a SRS? Of kisses from a certain bag?
Well, I mean, they were chosen at random.
They were chosen at random, okay. So we can assume it's a SRS. They weren't actually chosen at random. We didn't use a random digit table. We didn't use a random number generator. I know this is sounding pedantic when we talk about it, but this is the kind of stuff that you will have to state on the AP test. So we're assuming an SRS of kisses that are plain chocolate. And what else?
Our cookies and cream. That's what it's called. Delicious.
So we just say it's like it's an SRS. So. Like a number.
Yeah, because sample size would be the number. Would be 50.
I got 13.
Really?
You got 30?
13.
Oh, I got 14.
13 what?
Why are you sitting back there, Michael? Do your work.
Wait, 13 what?
Total?
Are you showing off?
No, I'm saying I got the same for both of them.
Oh, I was like, what's the significance of that?
Getting the same is a pretty significant thing. Well, we'll find out, I guess.
Yeah, so
Okay.
I redid mine because I was
That means they're the
outrageous.
same weight.
I had 9 and 22.
9 and 22. How did you get that?
I had 9 with the regular chocolate, 22 with the other ones. So I started off with 3, 3, 4. Then I had 2, 2, 2, 0, 2, 2, 2 again.
What's wrong with that?
It seems outrageous.
If we are observers of a study, are we able to make comments about that? You're gonna erase everything. Why? Why are you erasing?
I'm gonna erase them. I'm just gonna put back my old data.
Okay, so you're putting in your own experimenter bias there. Okay, what are we doing? What is this?
Isn't it
the
your
sound?
sample? It's like 5 of them.
Oh, okay, I see what you're doing. SRS, yeah.
Oh, that's what you meant.
We're gonna assume it's a SRS, and we didn't do a random digit table. Okay, what does p hat stand for? Now that we're refreshing our memory on a lot of things.
P hat your.
Michael, do you need to sit over by Ramsey and Kiana to focus? Okay, go do it. What does p hat stand for?
I know, because Trey was asking us how to find P hat.
Yeah, I remember that. That was brutal.
What is brutal about this?
I don't know. Like I had the hardest
Wait,
time
do you
trying to
know
figure
how
out.
to find P hat? It was like.
What could P be? What could it stand
No,
for?
it's your. What isn't it? Is it not just 13 over 50?
Yeah, it's your it's your proportion. But it's not this proportion,
Oh.
or is it the sample? It's the sample proportion. Yes, you're right. It's your proportion.
Okay.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, when I was trying to find P hat, I had the hardest time because I didn't think that was it. I thought it was something else entirely different.
Oh wait, is it 13
I
out
was
of 50?
way off.
Yes.
Yes, it is.
This is not my costume. I didn't sleep well last night.
Hannah,
Yes.
what's new?
That is. I normally get not a lot of sleep, but it's like good sleep. But this time I got a lot of sleep, but it was terrible sleep.
Excellent, excellent. Okay.
So as for the kind of population of interest, is it Hershey's Kisses? Hershey's Kisses lands upright, or just Hershey's Kisses in general?
Yeah, we're gonna say that. Yeah, we can say upright.
Wait, but
what?
Never mind.
Okay. Yeah, because we're checking for normality. How's it going?
Cole will get a set.
Okay, yeah, I'll take that bet.
What bet are we talking about?
He thinks Lucas. Dude, Lucas is good.
Are we talking about tennis?
And Cole's not that good.
Guys, you're not even gonna go to tennis until after this. You're betting. Okay.
To find this,
Probability.
what do they do?
What do you do
I
to find a
forget.
confidence interval? Well, Kiana, what is a? Do you have your notes?
No, I'm with me. No, I remember how, but like, what do we do? Like, take all this data?
Remember that we're doing our inverse norms. We're doing inverse norms. Oh, Kiana.
No. Okay. Oh, this is the
Or
one where you go
Z-score?
100 minus 95, and then you get that, and then you add it to the. Yeah. No, but how do you get that? Like, what do I do after that?
100 minus 95.
No, like
What are you
this.
talking about?
It's equals 5, so then. 95. And then 5 divided by 2, right?
Look. You have all your stuff.
Alright,
Just
Becky,
go to
is
your
our-
confidence intervals.
Is our p hat?
Yes.
No, it's the decimal, right?
Yes.
Oh yeah, right here. Is it? Z.
Yeah, it's the interval. We're gonna assume normality.
Statistics, yeah.
So when we record the other
Yeah.
people in our group, can we just record the decimals?
Decimals, yeah, that's our p hat.
Oh, we have to find a standard deviation.
Yeah, how do you find the standard deviation?
Mean. No, n over. I forget. Wait. It's the one divided by the square root of.
Divided by, no, it's just gonna be divided by 50. Divided by n. Because it's a proportion, right?
Oh, so
Zero.
it's the mean
28, right?
over
Not the mean, the proportion.
the proportion
Times 1 minus.
the proportion.
Good.
Okay, so it's 12 over 50 times 1 minus
12 over 50.
over 50.
Yeah. Let's see. Is it in our books? Remember this? They're going to give you this.
No, I remember. I
Okay, don't forget your square root, Joe.
the square root of 50.
No. Look. I'm showing it to you.
Oh,
This is what you found. Standard deviation of statistic. Don't forget that. I want you to be able to remember that, though. Maybe I should give
got
everyone their booklets.
so
So know where you're looking. Reference. Reference.
For the independence thing, like,
Yes.
It's just like all the normality and
Yes.
stuff. Okay.
Well, that's normality.
Oh.
What do we do to determine they're independent? What do we say?
Oh, that they're random, that they're a random sample. Oh, okay.
is x bar the number?
X bar is the, yeah, so,
So it's 12.
Oh, it's
Or is that
wait. Can I see this real quick? Yeah, so point whatever. So it's your, it's not,
Oh, this.
it's not the mean, yeah, it's, what did you find? What's your average of all your data?
you get
sets?
average?
No, isn't that how you found your standard deviation?
No, I just
But
put
you're
in
only
my
using
data.
yours. You have to use everybody's.
Also, add 12 plus 14 plus 20, and then find the mean.
I might have messed
I
up
mean-
too.
Right?
You find the mean, but you have to divide it by the yeah.
Okay. Average. Oh, so this is where we're doing all the same.
Yes. And then now that I'm helping you with this, and you're gonna go back and do cookies and cream or the other one all by yourself, yeah? Don't look at me like that. You're doing it. You're doing it. Uh-oh, what's happening, guys?
This thing isn't normal. It's he got 9.
You know normal. Okay, wait. How did you figure out it's not normal? 50 times 0.8 equals 9. We'll see. We're gonna assume normality because it's pretty close. No, sometimes you're just gonna have to do that. You're gonna say we're gonna assume normality for the sake of this study,
Okay.
even though we will make a note of it when we look at p-values at the end. So close, yet so far away. How come?
Wait a second.
Is it because?
Mine's hard.
Wait. No, you're not. It's all good.
Granted, I'm sure if you combined your p's and got your average,
Yeah, if I
When you
combine
start-
the P's and you got my average, fine.
yeah.
Okay, wait, is the p-hat that we found over? What? Yeah, I don't know what happened to that one, so I.
Wait, did you start eating it?
I just
No.
opened it and it was like that.
Don't eat it, Logan. Throw it
It looks
away.
like something ate it.
Is that your trash? Okay, what's up?
But then is the p-hat that we, this p-hat,
Yeah.
is it just asking like to write it again?
Because then you're gonna find their p-hats as well. You take that average, and that's what you're gonna use to move into your next.
Oh, but this is ours, right?
Yeah.
Asking for.
Yeah. And then all of these. How does? Are these fractions or are these a separate
No, like
numbers?
separate.
Okay.
Yeah, separate numbers.
So make sure that you know, because you're gonna be going through this once with the regular and then once with the cookies and cream. So keep the data separate. No, there's no 2 pages. Just keep it separate. Okay?
Well, I mean, we still have to write this anyways so that it proves that it's not.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
I got.
Yeah. So just in case some people seem to forget where you can look at how you find the statistic, but yeah, we are using that one, proportion.
I got.
What is
Did you
that?
see my milk chocolate result? My p-hat.
Nice. 0.3. Okay. Works. Axel, are we okay?
Yeah.
Okay, getting distracted.
No shit. That's me a question. My brain.
How to find the statistic? Okay, but first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna find your standard deviation. How do you find standard deviation? Which one are you using? Point to which one? Okay. Hey, finish standard deviation. You haven't even got there yet. So you're finding the average of all your groups 1 and using that, okay? Nailed it. Okay, so you have your standard. Good. Okay, keep going. Yes.
Don't
yes,
have to
yes.
make a 95 confidence.
Yes. You do. It's giving you all the steps right here,
Oh.
and eventually you'll get there.
Oh.
Because it's so silly. Why would you just put it in the calculator and not remember how to do it? So we're going to go through it all over and over.
Last week, but I answered.
What?
No.
Yeah, the
Find the
Z.
z-score now.
Mm-hmm.
That's not what you were doing.
No, this is just the standard deviation. How is that silly? Can I find the z-score on this thing?
Yeah, but you're doing interval right now, so no.
How do you do that? Statistics.
Said no.
Oh, you cannot?
No, I'm saying you're trying to find the z-score? Stat count. One there. Oh, where'd it go?
What's happening?
What are you doing?
Wait, what am I doing?
I don't know what you're doing. What are you doing? You know the critical value, Z. What's the critical value, Z, for a 95%?
Like 1 point.
Point. Say the rest of it.
That's what he sent me a video.
9,
1.9, what?
7,
All those teachers
3,
watching this. So
2, 1.9,
They don't
4.
know his name.
1.96? Like, how would you find that on the book though? I forget. Do you do inverse norm of the
Yeah, because you can do,
inverse norm of 0.
you can do norm CDF. You can do norm CDF lower bound is 95, upper bound is infinity, because 95 percentile with, right?
Don't we have to find it for
0.95, upper bound infinity, mean is 0, standard deviation 1. Check.
Mean is 0. Standard deviation is 1.
Yeah, check this out. Let's just check it out. Norm CDF.
Are you sad?
What are you doing now? So I'm going to go 0.95. My upper bound, I guess, will be,
9E999.
again, what are you doing?
How do we have an autistic person in this class?
I don't know what you're talking about. 0, 1. did not do that right.
I
Why
guess
don't
we
you just
found out
type in norm
You
CDF?
can do that.
that Snapchat shows what happens after AP stats.
No, isn't it like you go like
What happens to you?
isn't it inverse norm of 0.975?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so and that's
Yeah,
how you
here.
get that, right?
Yeah. You're right.
See, I was right. When you 100 minus 95, then you divide
Yes.
the 5 by 2, and then
That's what you were
add that-
talking about. I
Yeah.
couldn't figure out. I was like, what are you talking about? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
No, I think the
What?
KPIs was stuff.
You were pushing me.
Guys, every group I'm going to, I'm hearing this word.
It's all them.
I do see Trey.
You know, that is right.
I am, yeah. Are you having any questions
That was the only question.
about Trey's ability level?
About if we were supposed to use the average of all our
Okay,
PHATs.
yeah. Yes, use the average. Yes, good. You remember that number. Did you calculate that number? Did you remember that number?
I remembered it, but I opened the book to double check.
Oh,
And then the other one was like 2.2 something. I can't remember.
99.
Oh,
Okay. So, Amber, do you have any questions going forward right now? No? Not yet.
oh.
Yeah. Yeah. Bryson, are you okay? Okay.
Like I understand how you got this.
Okay. So the confidence interval is p hat.
Yeah.
What is p hat?
Oh, that's the mean.
Your proportion, right? Did you find your proportion? What's your proportion here? Which one are we?
Oh shit, I'm not gonna write down.
Well, we're gonna find that first. So go find the p hat.
That's the easy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we're going to use it for all of them. So you're going to take the average of 13, 10, 18, and 15. And that's going to be your group p hat. So you guys should all be getting the same answer eventually to check, but working alone and figuring out on your own is really helpful.
See, this.
Mm-hmm. What are you dividing by?
50.
No, you gotta get the average first.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now what? No. Now find your p hat. Now what are you dividing by?
Oh, now that 50.
Mm-hmm.
And I have to do it.
Okay. Now you have that, right? Okay. So here we go. Look, p hat. Do we know what that is?
Yeah.
What is it?
Oh, I wrote down. 0.28.
Okay. Do plus or minus. Do we know the z score?
Yep, right.
Okay. And what is this? What is this sigma p hat?
Standard deviation.
Mm-hmm. Do you know all those numbers?
No, we don't know this one.
You don't know that one? You didn't find it
Oh,
here?
I did. Never mind.
Okay. So you can do it. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. What's up, Axel? Your time.
how do you draw this?
Okay. So what is your p hat?
The average?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Ramsey?
20.
Let's finish your
I
work
did it.
first. Turn off the game. I know you're addicted. I got it.
Just started today.
No, he did not. Put your p hat point.
What is it? 13.
What is your... No.
15.3.
What?
So it's 0.32, right? Because as a decimal, it'd be 0.32,
Yeah,
right?
okay.
You're right.
What? How's that a decimal?
Because you make it out of 100. So you just double it and put a decimal in front of it, right? Is that not how you find you get the decimal?
You need a decimal for p hat?
Yeah, it's a decimal.
So if it 15.3 out of 50 would be 0.32. Because the 15.3 is our It's out of 50. She didn't put it as a decimal the
Oh,
first
I
time.
didn't put it as a
Yeah.
decimal. So we
That's
have to
true.
do
You
that.
have to put it as a decimal.
Well, okay, let's do this again.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Confidence interval.
Oh, you did 15.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that standard deviation would be way wrong.
Because I was thinking, I was like, how the heck do you graph this?
Mm-hmm. Because remember, we're doing proportions, yeah?
What is 15 over here?
I thought we were pretty close actually. 1.9. 15.3. Let's just extend it.
What is 15 point? Okay, start with
0.3.
Wait.
15.3.
0.06.
No, we can't be looking at that number.
Can we just double it and put a decimal
X
in
bar.
front?
No, you
Yeah.
can't do that.
15 point.
Can't.
No, you can't.
Okay.
0.30.
No, it's gonna
Why?
Be, it's gonna
Tell
be
me why.
3.6. Or no,
N is 50.
3.06.
Like this, yeah.
it will be 3.06.
Okay.
Ooh, 0.3.
Oh, this makes a lot more sense. 0.2879.
Oh, but
Okay. So now you're on it. Now you can do your confidence. Okay, so you're making your confidence interval 1 for the regular Hershey Kisses and 1 for the cookies and cream, and we can see how that matches up. Okay?
We just used 0.29 and 0.27.
When are we having the astronomy people coming back?
Astronomy who are coming. They might be coming on the next week, Thursday, because I'm canceling JCCU. But they're definitely coming on the 15th.
How come you're canceling during the DVD?
Because we don't have enough time.
I cry.
You want to go to JCCU? If you want to go, we'll go. I mean,
I don't. What isn't it? Don't we just sit there and listen to them talk?
it's a career panel this year.
Boring, right?
It's a career panel this year. Okay. Can we finish this?
So are we gonna have 2 upper and lower bounds?
Yes. Okay, what I want to do is I want to do the 3rd page as a group discussion. So just finish up 2nd page right now. But I want to do 3rd page as a group discussion. Okay?
Dot sticker thing.
How did, what?
The dot sticker? What? Your dot sticker?
Is this right?
Yeah. So just draw your line.
Oh, we have to jump.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. So it's like a
The
range
dots,
kind of.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
What's your lower bound, upper bound? So in that 90, that's your 95%.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Okay. So the dot, kind of.
Where does it go?
The dot goes at
In
your
the
p hat.
middle.
And then we
Wait,
do
hold up.
everybody
Oh,
else's
yeah.
one on the same.
Yes, so you guys should all have the same p hat. Am I? No? Okay. If you don't have the same, then if you're using your individual p hats, then you will plot everyone else's. But right now, I was hoping to just see the difference between the regular kisses and then the cookies and cream.
Okay.
Michael, how are you doing?
With a necklace.
Is that how small it is, your confidence intervals?
Yeah.
Yes, I.
Okay.
I'm gonna be famous.
That's amazing.
Or infamous.
We're 95%
Either way,
confident
that's
the data
famous in the
lies
word.
between the two.
Be specific.
The p hat. The mean.
The true,
You're gonna need to edit
the
a lot.
true,
That the true data.
what? The true proportion.
Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god.
Lies between this. We feel the same.
Okay. So once you're done with that, you can read through page 3, but I want to talk about it as a group. Okay?
My brain seems so much bigger than the other one.
And theirs is much smaller, so you know, variability happens.
So this is the same.
Yes.
And on this one, instead of doing it as a group, do you want us to do?
Yeah, why don't we compare cookies and cream and the regular? Can we compare them? Would you think that 95% of the time they would fall between, they would be the same?
Or
Are
no,
they the
we
same?
doing like this between the two different ones, or like just one as a group? Like just do the first chocolate one as a group.
Clash Royale.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know.
Look, it doesn't make sense.
Whoa, you're negative. Okay, what happened?
0.29 minus that.
It's the same thing for the second.
Okay.
But it's a cookie. Yeah, but a cookies and cream.
But then
Well,
Hannah
then-
got this 0.16 when she won. Oh, I changed. Yep, I didn't add the 0.064. Okay.
Oh, I see. So you're yeah.
Yep, it's 0.125.
Okay. Okay, so do you guys think, do you feel that the cookies and cream and the regular kisses are the same?
Yes. But the
Looking
cookie-
at your data and your picture,
Oh no,
do you feel it's the same?
no.
That's what I want you to write below here.
Yes, because we did it together.
That has nothing to do with it.
So Keelan did, so I would write to
Okay. What?
That's right. Oh, I started subtracting the wrong. No, I just mixed up the order.
More than the.
I think they're gonna need to reshoot this.
Or like
Why?
these are harder than these ones. Like they're harder
Really?
to me. I think.
Yeah, like
Like try squish
this one can.
compared to the other one. Like that one is easier to squish.
I think it's like.
Or like
I also think because they're close to the bottom of this.
So the cookies hold it together more? It gives it more structural integrity?
Oh no, I mean like maybe the
like all
cookies
the
are
cookies are on
heavier.
the bottom. Of
Oh,
the
because
kit.
it sinks?
Cause like, yeah, it's like a weight of the bottom.
Well, that's an interesting hypothesis. Okay. What? We okay? Okay? Almost there, guys? Okay. Okay, so read over. Third page. Think of some thoughts that you would like to share out on A, B, C, and D. You're way ahead of me?
Cause it says to eat one.
Axel, I'll bring you Skittles next time. I know, okay, I'm sorry. But it's hard to figure out whether a Skittle is going to fall on its head or on its
Only
flat.
If it'll show
if
the
S.
S or not, yeah.
Like the ink of the S would make
Yeah.
it heavier so it goes down.
Only like original though.
You're so picky. Oh my goodness, we good? So on the second one, I want you to just compare whether you think that the proportion of the milk chocolate versus the cookies and cream would be the same, would fall in the same confidence interval. Whether the true proportion for each would be represented by the confidence interval for the other. You guys actually have overlapping. Okay.
We're just reading this.
Yeah, and then we're gonna talk about it. Okay. Okay, 2 minutes. 2 minutes more.
You got it. Oh, that was it.
Oh, see, that would be perfect for right here. The Skittles. Skittles are
Mm-hmm.
Bro, I'm getting hungry already.
Well, you could have just eaten a kiss.
I don't want to kiss.
Just one.
Just one, Axel.
No.
He said not even one.
Not even once.
Not even once.
It's not meth.
For Axel, it might be. That's why he wants to keep his svelte figure.
Did you see him on the cookies?
Yeah, Michael said
Matt
he
was
was
losing his
yelling at
apple.
Axel to run faster.
Yeah,
Too much sugar for you, Axel.
probably.
Okay.
I'm getting tired right now.
You're just laughing.
When
at
he
me.
was, I know, he was like,
Yeah, I was
hyper
getting
on the
hyper.
Yeah, you were. Okay, ready?
I need Skittles.
Hannah, you guys ready? Okay, so you've looked at A, B, C, and D. Do you think A, there is a 95% probability that the true proportion will fall into your interval? Is that true? Would you circle that if you saw that on an AP test? Yeah. Why? Why? Is that what you proved? Is the wording correct?
Oh, this is the one that messed me up.
Why is the wording not correct? Okay. So you're saying that, would you circle it or not?
No.
If you saw it. Is being 95% confident, is that the same thing as 95% probability? Okay, so we'll leave that there for now. Let's just leave that sitting. B, there is a 95% probability that your interval will include the true proportion. Does that feel better to you
Yeah.
as a statement? Why? Tell me why.
Because it could be. Wait, no.
That doesn't feel better to you? Why? It's the same thing.
I don't know.
Different words, yeah. Is there a difference between A and B?
The organization of the sentence.
But didn't we already say that? Like,
Mhm.
probability is different from. So it's the same thing.
Is it the same thing? Are they saying the exact same thing? And is it wrong?
Yeah, it's just interval proportional.
Okay. What about C? Before we take the sample, there's a 95% probability that the confidence interval we will create will include the true proportion. That's all can we state something about before?
No, because we don't know the.
Didn't know what they've been through.
We don't know what they've been through.
It could be like that when we opened. I think it was like eaten by a bird or something.
So we can't make any predictions before we do something. So that one, so C is obviously out versus A and B, which are kind of still in. Okay. After we take the sample, there is a 95% probability that the confidence interval we created does include the true proportion? Yes? Okay. So D you feel the best about. A and B were iffy. If we saw that on a test, but there was no better answer, would we choose it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Is there no? That was just a conversation. That when you're looking at it, because in AP tests, haven't we noticing that the like A and B are very similar to each other? There's one word off. We don't know what to do sometimes. What? What? Kind of like a trick question, yeah. However, if you were to state that kind of stuff in the AP test, showing that you're at least thinking about true proportion, and they're going to give it to you. They're going to say that, okay, they're getting it. This wording may not be perfect, but they're understanding it.
What if it's like a multiple choice? What is the best?
I would like D. Yeah. Okay. And now that you have read the second part of the paper, that is your homework tonight. Yes, you are going to create a study in which someone else in the class will enact. You're going to take it home tonight. You're going to figure out a study in which it will be set up just like this, and we're going to trade papers, and then someone else is going to have to do it over the weekend.
So we actually gonna have to do this.
So like, don't be like, okay, let's look at 400 dogs, because obviously that would be impossible for someone. So rocks we can look at, as long as you can think of something that is measurable, right? It always has to be measurable. Whether it's proportion or mean, it has to be measurable and doable in a financially sound and timely sound way. Because really, Logan's going to create something that's like 1,000 steps, and then you're going to give it to Trey, and Trey's going to be pissed off, right? Yes. He's going to eye him out right now.
He's just gonna come to my house and be like, what the heck is this?
Exactly, so don't do that. Be nice. Think about someone that you might want to give this to, but make it meaningful. Because once you start writing these questions, you're gonna feel more comfortable answering them. You like that, Kiana? Okay. Then that's your homework tonight, because we're being mindful of when Amber and Logan have to leave, and then the tennis people have to leave soon. So.
I'm on tennis team.
There's a rally? Oh, a smoking one. Yeah, Ramsey can't go to that. Yes, you can. If you would like to offer who you want to give this to, go ahead. Okay. Okay, but take this home so you can write on the paper.
What am I gonna do? I don't know what
Why don't you do running? Something that interests you.
what I would do.
Yeah, you should. You should make like Bryson run.
What's the probability he'll run in 4 seconds? I don't know.
Make him do like 50, 100-meter dashes.
Yeah, we can do a while.
But you have to do it as a repetition too, right? It has to be repetition. I'm going to be grading on the ability to do an observational study.
How do I do this?
That's what you're going to be thinking about tonight.
Oh, no.
We can talk about it later during class while everyone else leaves and does what they need to do.
I'm gonna just put
Okay. Or you can do something with skills too. It doesn't have to be the same thing, yeah? Because you're just going to give it to someone else. You don't have to exchange.
Oh. Goodbye. And then I'll think of
Just going to rotate it around, okay? Are we good? We understand what the task is? Due Friday. Yes, due Friday. I see you on Friday. Okay, Ramsey, do you understand what your task is? What's your task?
Isn't it odd?
No, it's even. Last week was odd.
Yeah, but we didn't have odd
So?
Tuesday. So normally
Apparently no one cares, so
the schedule.
we
is
like to
messed
see
up.
even. Ramsey, what's the task tonight?
Do it at home.
Do what at home?
Create another experiment.
Okay. Thank you, Ramsey. Michael, you heard that.
yeah, I'm gonna make Ramsey not smoke for a year.
Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it. Okay. Good job, guys. Trash in the trash can. If you didn't drink out of your cup, I'll reuse it. But if there's trash and weird stuff like your saliva in there, I don't want it back.